guys, welcome back to the Firefighters Financial Toolbox. My name is Brad, and this is my monthly dividend portfolio update for February. Today is Tuesday, February 25th, so we have a couple of days left in the month, but I feel like we've probably got all the dividends we're going to get. Now, I started off the month, I ended last month in January with $28,319.47. Now, we have grown a little bit, but not as much as I would have liked, because of some decreasing stock market returns here. And we're going to talk about that in a few minutes. But really quickly, let's talk about what we've done to the portfolio. First of all, as I said, we started off at $28,319.47. We have added two deposits, each of $250 to my M1 Roth IRA. We also started the weekly Monday $100 into my M1 Finance brokerage account. Now, we put that on hold for a couple months while I maxed out those Roths, but now we're starting to put those back in. Okay, so let's look at February dividends. February dividends this month. We got a good dividend from AbbVie this month. That's $23.60. We got $4.60. That's my monthly dividend paying REIT, AGNC. I got a $4.30 dividend from Colgate-Palmolive. I also got a $5.30 dividend from Clorox. I got a $3.87 dividend from JP Morgan Chase. I got a $4.66 dividend from Realty Income. That's another monthly REIT payer. I got $11.29 from Procter & Gamble. And I also got $16.14 from AT&T, bringing my monthly total for February thus far to $73.76. So, one of my better months. As we can see, that's almost up to my best month last year. Now, remember the beauty of dividend investing: as those dividends increase, your dividend, the amount you get paid, increases as well. Buy at a lower cost, the dividend increases, you also get a yield on cost. So that's pretty cool. Looking at my M1 Finance portfolio, we see that currently my brokerage account is $3,006.80. Having only added a couple of stocks here this week, I got a little bit of National Fuel Gas, as well as some Walgreens, because those were both down. Currently, my Roth IRA is at $3,869.18. I have added a little bit of JP Morgan Chase and Disney this month. In my Ally account, you can see my total currently there is $7,608.40. Now, that does include my Tesla stock, which, as you guys already know from my video last week, is not a dividend payer. But we've also got some dividends coming up, it looks like. Got AbbVie, Bank of America, Ford, Coke, Pfizer, and Exxon all coming up for dividends next month. So that's exciting. Looking at the Vanguard account. In the Vanguard account, we see that the Roth IRA, now this is just the dividend-paying stocks in my Roth account there, guys. AGNC, looks like all my REITs are down a little bit right now. Current balance in there is $3,330.67. In my brokerage account, the only one that seems to be positive right now is Clorox. Even my VYM, my Vanguard High Dividend Yield ETF, is down. So we all know the stock market goes up and down, and that's brought my brokerage account for the dividend portion down to $12,352.71, leaving my Vanguard total at $15,683.38. Let's take a look at the S&P 500 and what it's been doing recently, and we'll come back and talk. All right, you guys, now we're going to take a look at the S&P 500 for the month. As you can see, we started off pretty strong. Looks like we started the month out at 3252, and as you can see, we climbed until about February 19th, February 20th, and then we started going down. Now, last week we took a big dive. On the 21st, we dropped quite a ways. And we've been dropping steadily for about a week, you guys. We're down to 3129.46. Now, if we look at the 52-week high, it was 3393, so we're almost 3400, and we're down about 250 points from there. But we're still at 3129, so we're still up there. Yes, it's come down a little bit, but not terribly. Let's take a look at the 5-day here. In the 5-day, you can see that we started off strong, and it's just kind of been stepping down all week long to where we are today. So that's added to the fact that some of my portfolio hasn't grown quite as much as it would have. All right, you guys, so that was a look at what the S&P 500 is doing. Now we're going to take a look at my month as it's happened. So starting off, my January total, as we talked about, was $28,319.47. I put in 2 deposits of $250 each, February 3rd, 18th, to my M1 Roth IRA, and that maxed me out. I then added my $100 into my M1 brokerage account. I'm going to plan on doing that every Monday. February dividends totaled $73.76 this month, bringing my February total to $30,167.76. All right, so I hope you guys got something out of this. If you're still enjoying the monthly dividend updates, give me a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, think about subscribing. It really helps me out, and we'll see you again next week. All right, thanks. Bye.